Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Two Phones, aka I Take You Out Guy, here with another informative video. Today I will be doing a double unboxing of two headsets from Ativa. One is on the ear wired headset by Ativa, and then another one is the Earbuds. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing and give you guys my first impressions. So, all right. Let's just go around the box for a minute before we do that. Okay, so as you can see, I do like the design. It kind of matches the headset with the green and gray, and it got the green and white going on around the box, like the presentation. Also on the back, it actually lets you know what's actually inside the box. The wire is detachable, so it's easier to become portable. So it's more portable around, and you can fold the headphones up, as you can see. Yeah, so it's on the ear wired headphones. Enjoy audio from your computers, your tablets, smartphones, and MP3 devices that's equipped with the 3.5mm headphone jack. All right, so it's adjustable headband, folds up when not in use. Soft padded cushioning for comfort and noise reduction. All right, it has a 47-inch 3.5mm audio cable included, with a jack located in the base of each ear cup for versatile placement. All right, so and that's pretty much it on the box. It basically just tells you that you can enjoy your favorite music and other audio in cushion comfort. So no further ado, I'm going ahead and unbox this and set it up and give it a run, give it a test with my Moto G6, which has Dolby Audio built into the device. So we're going to definitely see if that's any help when it comes to the headphone jack, anything like that. So here we go, guys. I didn't need to use a knife. You can find this product right now at Office Depot, Office Max for $7.99. So yeah, this is how much the product costs. Nothing else in the box. Everything is wrapped together, as you can see. Here is the headset. Now for a quick second, let's see. Okay, so you have, oh, I get it. You got two ports, so you can put it on either side. All right, so unfortunately, I'm only good for one ear. So yeah. Okay, so you put it around like this. Oh, okay, yeah, just that's smart, right? That's smart. So you put it around like this. Okay. It has a real soft touch, guys. It has a real soft touch. Even this part is cushioning. Your on the ear part is cushioned. When you go around the sides of it and the top, it's very soft. It's a little hard, and yeah, you can fold it up like this, guys, as you can see. All right, and for those that don't know, yeah, green is actually my favorite color, so I think that's why I picked it up. All right, so let's go ahead and get the jack out, and the wire is just a regular wire. It's not, I thought it was like a shoestring wire or something like that. Well, the covering of it. And yeah, so I see what the box is talking about. Like, you could plug it in like that, and then like this, but that's retarded, right? But I'm just showing you guys that you can plug it in on either side. Like I said, it's very versatile, reversible, sort of. All right, so okay, let me see which. Okay, let me go ahead. Yeah, I think I prefer it on my right side. All right, guys, so we finna do a little test real quick. Finna tell you guys how it sounds using the Moto G6. All right, I'm going to be playing it through the YouTube Music app. I'm going to be playing it through the YouTube Music app. All right, so let me go ahead and let me find a. I'm gonna go through my library real quick. Hold on just a quick second. Actually, I'll just play this Jaquan Tipsy song. All right. club getting tipsy. Everybody in the club getting tipsy. All right, so it's not as loud as I would think, you know, it would be, but let me go ahead and check something real quick. Let me make sure that the Dolby Audio sounds is actually on music instead of movies or anything like that. So as you can see, the Dolby Audio is on music. Yeah, I could adjust it. Let me adjust the bass a little bit. See where it goes from there. The treble. See where it goes from there. All right, now we're gonna go back and play it. All right. All right, so these headphones aren't bass. These headphones aren't bass quality headphones. I think they're just pretty much basic headphones, headset. Something just to you know, make you go over, just to keep your ears satisfied, or just to keep on your ear, so you know you're not disturbing anyone on a bus or train or airplane, things of that sort. But yeah, these aren't for bass type music. Also, let me check and test out on a movie trailer real quick. Let me just see what that sounds like. Maybe that's a total difference. I'm going to change the settings on the Dolby Audio sounds real quick to movie, and I'm going to play Voodoo because Voodoo's partner. They have Dolby sounds. So let me go ahead and reset. Let me see if there's a difference with the movie. All right, and we're going to use Voodoo. I'm going to play Chappie real quick. I'm not going to play it on screen, but you know. So let me see what this sounds like. Alright, might have to turn on my Wi-Fi. My data might be tripping. Alright, so might have a bad connection here, guys. Alright. Hold on. Okay, I know what it is. I didn't play the movie trailer. Let me play the movie trailer. There we go. Feel play the movie trailer. Alright. I was trying to play the whole movie. Okay. It kind of has like a surround sound to it, I guess, because I'm using, like I said, the Dolby surround sounds in the movie. So, all right. So that was my test on these headsets, on this headset right here, on the on-ear wired headset. Like I said, it doesn't have a, you know, it's not great for bass music, or it gives you somewhat of a surround sound with the movie trailers or movie itself. I just think you gotta have like that type of software, audio software already on your device. If not, you can always download, you know, audio software for Android, iOS. But yeah, guys, the Ativa on the ear headphones are pretty decent. Like I said, it's not for the bass fans. So yeah, but if you just need something to get by, I would recommend these. It's only cost $7.99 at Office Depot, Office Max. So guys, give it a try. All right, now the next video is going to be, the next unboxing is going to be the earbuds. All right. So this is basically for calls and texts, or if you're in a video chat, things and that sort. But we're still gonna go ahead and test out audio as well. No, I did not go over the box. So okay, basically it's doing the same thing. It says enjoy your audio with pause, play, and volume controls. 3 sizes of ear pads included, and yeah, basically saying it on the back. These exactly what they look like. They are metallic earbuds. So we're gonna see how metallic these are for $7.99. Alrighty, as you can see, you got the different size earbuds. All right, and here we go, guys. Okay, you got your built-in mic and your volume up and down and play button. The microphone's on the back, so I'm assuming that is my left side. It really doesn't tell you on the earbuds itself which side it's on, so I guess it wouldn't even matter. So I'm going to go ahead and plug these in, and then we're going to give these a good sound test real quick. All right, here we go. Here we go, guys. Okay, let's give it a try. Same apps, YouTube Music and Voodoo. Same, probably same song or whatever. I just want to see what it sounds like. Oh, okay, hold on. I know what it is. Hold on. I know y'all saw that look like, whoa. Alright. Okay, there we go. It's okay. I mean, it's actually giving you the same. It's giving you the same type of sound quality. It's giving you the same type of sound quality as the ear on ear. But no further ado. Once again, I'm gonna try the movie trailer and see what that sounds like. All right, let me go ahead and change that. Okay. Now put it back to movies. All right, so let's go ahead and rewatch that trailer. I'll let you guys know what I think. Okay. All right, guys. So these do fit great in the ears. The sound quality, like I said, it's about similar to on the ear headphones by the same company. I think I like on ear better than in the ear. I think I like on the ear better than in the ear, in my opinion. It just seems more, I don't know, it just seems more normal than having something in your ear versus on the ear. But at least this has a built-in mic, so if someone calls me or video chat, I'll give that a test later. Maybe someone call me or text me, call me or video chat with me later. I'll do that with the headphones on. So I'll probably leave these inside the Moto G6. But yeah, for first impressions, and initial setup and unboxing of these headsets, both cost $7.99 each at Office Max, Office Depot. I'll leave a link in the description box so you can go check them out yourself. Yeah, like I said, these are basic headphones, headsets, earbuds. If you just need something to get by with, then I will recommend getting them. But if you want something with more bass, more treble, more clarity, you know, less noise reduction, you know, you might want to go into the $30 range or $40 range for earbuds and headsets. To me, I still don't see no point in spending over $100 on a headset. I mean, that's just my opinion. What's your opinion is your opinion. But yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Have you even heard of this company, Ativa or Ativa? Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description box. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the show. It's your boy Two Phones. I'm out.